How to remove repost feature from Instagram. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to the application Instagram. Also make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, now move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, you will be able to see the repost button. It is a new feature that has just been updated. You will be able to see all of the posts that you have reposted on Instagram. If you want to remove this feature, all you gotta do is, you have to delete all the posts that you have reposted on Instagram. Tap and hold the post and then click on delete repost. Likewise, do the similar process for all the posts. Once you have deleted all the reposts, now refresh the page Instagram, and there you can see that the repost feature has been removed successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.